Can you tell the jury, again, what his bodyguard told you? That Mr. Trump was interested in having me join him for dinner. And what did you say at that time? F no. I'm sorry? No, but with an expletive in the front. Do you know the bodyguard's first name? It's Keith. Did he introduce himself as Keith? Yes. As Keith, yes. Did you know his last name at the time? I did not. At the time, I did not know. Do you know now what's his last name? Yes, Schiller. At the time he gave you his first name? Yes. Did Keith give you his cell phone number at the time? Yes. And how did he give you his cell phone number? He actually took my number. Did he ask you for your number? He asked for my number and I gave him my number, and then me messaged me and I saved it. In other words, you saved his cell phone number in your phone? Yes. Did you create a contact in your phone for Keith in July of 2006 when he texted you that contact? Yes. Is this also one of the photos that you reviewed on the thumb drive? Yes, it is. Do you recognize it? Yes. What is it? It is a photo of my phone and the contact in it. And is it a particular photo from your phone of the contact for Keith? Yes. Now, do you notice that the phone number for Keith is redacted to show only the last 4 digits of his number? Yes. Have you had a chance to also review and compare it against the original contact in your phone with the full numbers? Yes. Aside from the redactions, is it exactly the same? Yes, it is a match. Tell us what that contact shows. It says, it is saved under the name Keith Trump, that I put Trump because I didn't know his last name when I saved it. And then the phone number that he texted me from that I saved. And in listing it in your phone as Keith Trump, you said you didn't know his last name. Why did you put the name Trump there? I know a lot of people named Keith, and I wanted to make sure I knew which Keith it was. And because I didn't know his last name, at least I know who he works for. I do that a lot, put the name, it's stupid. Or I put where they are from. Was it the fact that he worked for Mr. Trump? That you put the last name Trump in your phone? Correct. Do you still have Keith's contact in your phone to this day? Yes. Now, after you left the golf tournament, did you speak with anyone else about the dinner invitation from Mr. Trump that Keith extended to you? Yes. Who did you discuss it with? Immediately, my then publicist. His name was Mike. He was the first and I think the only one that immediately I talked to about it.